This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a rather famous, but not as famous as some others, not as famous as Von Romanée or Gevrey Chambertin, but still a rather famous appellation of the Burgundy wine region of France, located around a village that it's named after, near the town of Beaune, in the heart of the Cote d'Or Burgundy wine region. We are looking at how to pronounce Savigny-Lès-Beaune. Most Savigny-Lès-Beaune wines are red. Pretty much all of them are red. They are pretty good value for Burgundy because it's a lesser known appellation, less famous, less prestigious, yet it has a lot of very dynamic, very positive producers that craft their wines with a lot of care. So how do you go about pronouncing Savigny-Lès-Beaune? Savigny-Lès-Beaune for the typical French pronunciation. Savigny, pretty straightforward. Note that there is an accent, a backward accent to les, so it's not les, but rather les, if you can hear the difference. So Savigny-Lès, and then Beaune. E-A-U in French comes down to the sound O, so Beaune. Savigny-Lès-Beaune. Savigny-Lès-Beaune. Savigny-Lès-Beaune Pinot Noir wines. Savigny-Lès-Beaune. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.